Hindi, pero kasi ano parang dati?
Full house.
We're full house!
Walang
Joke ka? Everybody, clap!
5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. After here, breathe.
5 minutes?
Ready?
Diba? Naman, ano?
Picture mo na kayo, picture mo na tayo. Please do just.
Okay, 1, 2, smile.
Kilala na kayo, kailangan pa ba introduction?
Hindi, yung mga bagong dating, hindi ka makilala. Nax.
Nax. Ba't kami interview na kayo first?
For those who don't know me,
Yeah. Why? For those who don't know me, why?
why?
Wala pa.
Kapal lang mukha. For those who don't
How
know
dare you? Sino na ipapainitan? May picture ako na mapainit ang tubig.
Sa akin.
Hindi. Clean. Magaling ko rito? Hindi, hindi. Intermobile?
4 minutes.
Oo, doon. Ito. Wait, natanggal. Yun yun. Pinag-weekend yun. Ha? 30 minutes yun. Tagal.
May ano, may nagde-demo.
May magdademo?
Mamaya na nagde-demo. Meron akong pinili sa
yung ganito at saka spatula.
Okay.
Yun yung lang.
Lipstick. Lipstick ka daw. Lipstick? Meron ako lipstick. Make up pang make up. Sino magdademo? Sa'yo na ako. Lipstick.
So, isa lang naman kailangan.
Meron akong pinili sa bowl at saka spatula. Hindi ko kailangan.
Matanungin nila yan.
Okay, sama nila. Kulang ng spatula.
Saan nabibili itong alcohol? Shopping. Shopping, okay. One blue, 2 white. Gusto niya white eh. Ako kaya po ako sa Hindi, siyempre pag ikaw na sa demo, hindi ko sa'yo. Di ba no? Boy, sino? Jersey, sinong nagsasalita? Di ba nilipat sa kanya yun?
Ikaw muna.
Welcome ka naman namin. Bakit?
Hindi ka alam na kanina. Tapos inisiyon ko lang.
Nakakamabotis mo ah.
Sina?
Jenny.
Sino? Oo nga.
Oo nga.
Chef.
Lakasan mo lang boses mo kasi pag ano.
Mas masyado mahindi.
Wala
Sino
yun.
to, Jean?
Nakamute si
Sige,
Jean.
Yung nilalagay ko sa pangulo. Asan yung mga kids mo?
Parating pa lang. Parating pa lang.
Hindi, full house tayo ngayon.
Sa camera tayo.
Kaya Ana lang ako titingin.
Sino yung isa?
Sisters. Hintay ba sila?
Ito ba?
Ito naman eh, using Thermomix.
gratitude at saka sense of sugar. Lagi siya talaga. Success.
Pwede natin sabihin.
Sumaksis. Sumaksis ka. Ginamit mo. Sugar speech mo.
Mira, save me ha. Kasi pag-shoot ko kapag
Oo, kasi tapos ko.
Mag-greet lang ako. Tapos, tapos may ano lang ako mag-start. Hindi kami. Ano greet? Yan? Ang sabi ko, greet.
Narinig ko
Mag-greet. Mag-greet. Oh, hindi. Kanya, instead for yeah, something like that. Tapos, afternoon, add lang ako. Tapos, start na lang, first question.
We're live!
Hurry lang.
Tingnan natin. Okay, so, good afternoon, everyone! Welcome to our Sugar Stages class, headed by our 3 masters. Okay, so for today, we are going to learn how sugar changes when it melts. Also, as someone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen, browsing through the recipes kasi medyo intimidating, no? When it comes to, you have to get the right temperature for it. So, for today, we are sharing recipes simplified through Thermomix. And with that, we'd like to introduce our speakers, masters.
Hi, I'm Jean Velez. I've been using Thermomix for 1.5 years now, and I'm so happy with it. And we use it almost every day. And for the kids, they normally like those sweet goods. So today I'm gonna make tanghulu. So hopefully the kids will like it.
Hi, my name is Hani Recato, and I'm one of the team leaders here at Thermomix. I've been using, same as Jean, I've been using my Thermomix for almost 3 years now. No? Yeah, so I've been, and I enjoy it ever since.
Yes, and I'm Hailin Ong. I am also a Thermomix user, 3 years already, and so many possibilities talaga with Thermomix. Yeah. So today we're going to teach all about sugar stages.
So yeah, it's like science, no? Parang parang kasi what we're doing now are the recipes are honeycomb, sour plum, and yung tanghulu. So different stages, meaning parang iba yung like yung sa tanghulu and the candy, it's hard candy, diba? But for the honeycomb, it's gonna be like a medyo may crunch siya. So, yeah, let's start now. Ayan. So, actually, yeah, we have lots of kids in the audience today. So, this is the best class for them. They enjoy sugar, candies, desserts. So, why sugar class? Kasi parang ito nga yung parang this is best for mga bakers na nagagawa ng mga cakes, 'di ba? Mga sugar. Yan. So, let's start. So, when it comes to cooking, what is the most important for you? So, should it be easy, healthy, delicious, time-saving, and money-saving?
Lahat tayo ngayon yan.
Yeah.
Maybe we skip the beat today because it's all
Yeah, so actually, we can achieve them with Thermomix, diba? I just want to ask you, have you tried making sugar or candies at home?
without Thermomix.
Diba? It's very hard kasi when you look at yung parang YouTube, if you find how to make candies, ang dami equipments kailangan ng yung stove, tapos may temperature pa, and the risk of scalding, di ba? Parang with Thermomix, isang pot lang, yes. Put everything, just follow the directions, and that's it. Okay, so, yan. So, with the help of Cookie Doo, we can search a lot of, parang mga sugar recipes. So, just search sugar or desserts, yan, lalabas na lahat. So, it's very good, it's perfect caramelization every time, kasi the temperature is there, it's stable, hindi yung tumataas, hindi yung bumababa. So, it's all stable. Okay? So, yan. So, the first, ayan. So, this is what we're going to do now. So, if you have your cell phone, you can scan the QR code and save it in your Cookie Doo. So, honeycomb. Do you know what honeycomb is? Zeke? How was that? So it's made of honey, and then there's an ingredient. I'll show ko lang. So here are the ingredients to make honeycomb. So we need bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Tapos sugar, water, honey, and vinegar. So the vinegar and the water, the vinegar is for just cleaning the Thermomix. So our Thermomix can also pre-clean for us. Later, I'll show you the magic. So the bicarbonate of soda, you need the baking soda for it to bubble. So, ayan. So, have you tried putting baking soda in vinegar? Diba? It bubbles, diba? So that's the effect of making honeycomb. I'll show you the magic again later. So, yan. So all we have to do is search for the recipe here. So nice. Yan.
What do you use honeycomb for?
You can top it on your ice cream, as cakes, yogurt.
Yes. Diba usually ang dami yung mga madami yun. But this time later we'll try it with ice cream.
Yan. So again, we started na yung the honeycomb. So there, just start cooking. So sabi niya, to guarantee the success of recipes using sugar stages, please follow the exact quantity and description for all ingredients. So, kailangan mag-follow ng directions.
Follow that.
Tama. Yan. Okay. So, line a square cake tin. So, ito na siya. So, this, we already lined it with parchment paper. So, this is where we will pour the honeycomb. Okay? So, we're full house today. I'm so happy. So we just sift the baking soda. So ito yon. So we need baking soda for later. Tapos so we need 300 grams of white sugar. So ito yon. So our Thermomix has built-in weighing scale. So it's very sensitive. It's accurate up to 1 gram. So you don't need to pre-weigh na your ingredients. So lalagay mo lang 300. So 300. Yan. 300. So yan. So press next and then 80 grams of water. So when you're pouring water or liquid, you just need to pour it on a height. So not to touch the bowl kasi nga it's gonna affect
The weighing
the scale. So, pag nagne-negative, i-tear mo lang. Yan. Perfect. So, next. So, we need honey. Syempre, honeycomb siya, so we need honey. I'm using raw honey. $20 grams. Yan. So for the online people who's watching, please like and share. Yan. So without measuring cup, and ano lang, without measuring cup, so yan na siya. So for 18 minutes, maximum temperature is 160, so that's perfect for sugar stages. And then ito turn mo lang siya. So it's going to cook, it's going to caramelize it for 18 minutes. So while this is caramelizing, let's turn on to high. We're going to make the sour plum now. Okay?
Yan, sour plum candies or kiamoy candies. Yan. So it's also you can also scan and you can find it in Cookie Dough. It's guided cooking also for the sour plum candy. What do you need for sour plum candy? We need dried salted plum yung kiamoy. Ganyan. The kiamoy, we need it. And then sugar and maltose syrup. Yan lang. Yun lang ang kailangan mo to make this candy. No? So, maltose, you can buy in Shopee. Or in
Bake depots.
Bake depots and also
Baking, those who sell baking materials.
yes, also in Binondo stores. Yan. Now we also need this kind of candy molds. Yan. Also in Shopee. Everything in Shopee. Yan. So we need this candy mold. We put the kiamoy inside the mold. Volunteer? Come here. Come here. You handsome, come here. You volunteer. Habang I prepare the food, you put the candy. It says here, place 24 pieces of dried salted.
Wash your hands.
Yes, please wash your hands. Yan. And then, okay, so he will put that. Wash your hands there. Dry it. Let's put the kiamoy here. And then we put 50 grams of water. Ay nako, I cannot see. 50 grams of water inside. Yan. Then, 50 grams of maltose. Itong maltose sobrang lagkit. So, we need to use 2 spoons or spatula. Wait. Yan. Ganyan siya. Yan. Sobrang lagkit. Sige. Yeah. Anong difference ng glucose and gene? Spelling?
No. Actually, glucose is a combination of sugar and maltose. Ang maltose is 2 links of glucose na pinagsama. Yun ang difference. Pero, yun lang.
Pero ito, as you can see, itong maltose sobrang lagkit. Ang lagkit niya. Yan, ang hirap. Okay, thank you, Lance. Hindi na.
So, aside from the kiamoy,
Yeah?
what other
Pwedeng ilagay? Fruits. Para maging healthy. Or iba-ibang kasi ito sour
Plums.
raisins.
Yes, plums.
Okay, ang hirap.
Hindi, yung plums na mas, oo, yung flatten. Sandali ah.
Kailangan yata ng
Kutsara.
spatula.
Spatula. Ito, tapos matigas. Yan.
Siguro another
Ako, sige.
secret dyan, initin muna natin
Yung,
spoon.
ay correct.
And
Pwede.
then, saka natin.
Kasi
punasan.
may kulay.
Hindi natin naisip kanina.
Yeah. Ay, teka lang. Yan.
Dapat initin muna yung spoon.
Ano na siya.
Tama na yan? O sobra?
Pwede na. 50 grams. 50 grams. Ay. And then, we put 200 grams of golden sugar. We tried it with brown sugar before, but it ended up yung sugar naging dark brown siya. So this time we use white sugar. 200 grams.
Para transparent.
Para transparent ang labas. Yan. And then, place the splash guard. Kasi sometimes it will be too hot. So, para to prevent, we use the splash guard. Accident. And then 8 minutes for the sugar stage to start. Yan. Yan lang. We'll wait for it to melt the sugar and then we'll pour it in the mold. Yan.
So, she's doing the prickling mode because, no, so prickling? Ano, binuto pa?
Wala pa.
Wala
8
pa.
minutes lang kasi ito. So we wait for it and then pour it. And wait it for it to dry.
The recipe says golden caster sugar, or you can use the regular sugar.
Yes,
sugar.
yes. We tried kasi before the golden custard sugar, pero yung candy naging very dark. Actually, we made kanina pala ng mga we already made.
Ba't mo try?
Tapos, ganyan yung later will show paano.
Kapag mo?
Hindi. I-ano natin.
So, did you know where, parang saan, actually popular itong sour plum candy sa sa mga Chinese grocery, ganyan. At Ichiban, yan. Di ba sa Hong Kong, yan, popular siya sa Taiwan, yan. So, for the ones who are new, parang ang sweet niya, since it's sour, so parang nagmi-mix yung sweetness and sourness, parang kaya very popular siya doon. Kasi parang not all sweet, not all sour, so it's a mixture of taste. So parang naglalaro sa loob ng mouth, di ba?
So, also, you can also, kung hindi kayo nakakuha ng ganitong mold, meron din yung isang mold na pang lollipop. Pwede din yun. You can put the stick on it and then yung candy, ganyan din. Mas malaki yung sugar kaysa dito, kaysa sa candy style.
So, ayan, wait. So, okay, so for all the Thermomix users here, if you own a Thermomix and you want to belong to the community, syempre you need to be in the community, simply scan this QR code, tapos meron tayong community group sa Viber. Okay? So, I just want to elaborate on the cookie dough. Yeah. So, if you're new in Thermomix, the soul of our machine, the Thermomix, is the cookie dough. So, what is cookie dough? So, it's a virtual cookbook which has 100,000 recipes in 20 different languages. What you can do marami kang magawa sa cookie dough. You can meal plan, add a shopping list, ganyan. So here, we're just going to show you ways on how to search for recipes. So first, you can click on yung magnifying glass icon, and then search button, and then type the keywords. Either you can type the ingredient or the recipe or the food that you want to cook. Pwede rin yung let's say soy sauce, yan ganyan. So pwede rin, 'di ba? So all the recipes that contains that ingredient will come out.
Sometimes you can also search with cuisines.
Oo, yung mga collections like
Yan, no? They are potatoes. Pag tinype mo yung potatoes, lahat ng potato collection or cookbooks, lalabas siya. Okay? Tapos, yeah. So here, I think kanina sinasabi ko, you can meal plan. All you have to do is search for a recipe, click the 3 buttons, and then add to my week. So you can place it kung anong sa week ng calendar, when do you want to cook it. Yun. Okay? Tapos, just, if you want to see kung ano yung mga planned meals mo for the week, just go to my week and then lalabas na siya.
So when you do this, you can plan your meals while in the office or outside, and then when your helper or anybody at home opened your Thermomix, you will just go directly to my week and nandun na lahat yung mga pinlan. Yan. Kaya remotely you can plan your meals.
Yung sa shopping list din, gano'n, you can just click the 3 buttons and then add shopping list. So, it will categorize by ingredient or by recipe. Okay? So, yan. How to use the recipe, filter recipes naman. So, kasi paminsan, if you don't filter, pati yung mga, let's say, if you type spaghetti, pati yung mga Italian, kung ano, yung different languages,
Yes.
pasok. So, if you want to filter it to specific language, all you have to do is tap filter, select what category you prefer, kunyari either side dish, starters, mains, ganon. And tapos yung ingredient, pwede rin mo i-filter siya. Pwede rin yung, kunyari, meron kang ayaw na, kunyari, you have nut allergies. Pwede mong i-filter out yung mga ingredients na allergic ka.
Yes, para mas precise yung search mo.
Oo. And then you can also select the language na pwede mong Tapos lalabas na yung mga finilter out mong mga points. Yan. So here, yung shopping list, like I've said, yun, naka-categorize siya, either by category, ingredient category, or by recipes.
Yes, so para matanggal mo na yung lahat, like kasi pati water and all that, papakita niya you just remove everything.
So para may checklist siya. So yan. Si Jean naman mag-filter. How to translate to non-English recipes.
So, for example, sometimes when you type kasi, like for example, you type potatoes, all the recipes that have potato will come out. So some languages will come out also, like Italian, Indian, Thailand. So if in case the recipe you want is not it's in another language, you can translate it using Google Chrome, Google Translate. So you just go to Google Chrome, you log into the Thermomix, and then click on the recipe you like, and then you open it in a new window in the browser. Then when you open up the browser, it will show you that it will ask you if you want to have it translate. So after translation, you will see everything in English now. So
This is using Google Chrome.
yeah, using Google Chrome. Because Cookido doesn't have a translation. So we need another app to help us understand it. Okay.
Sometimes I use my phone also only, the camera, the translate. You just point it in the screen,
Thermomix, yeah.
tapos nagta-translate siya sa cellphone ko na. So yung mga Chinese na ibang recipes na hindi talaga. Kasi when you search it, sometimes when you search it in your computer and you have your Google Chrome there, automatically translate it into English. But when you put it in your Thermomix, it's still Chinese.
Yeah.
So what I do is sometimes I just use my cell phone's translation.
I do screenshot. Yeah, you translate first, then you screenshot. Para when you go back, you don't keep on
Okay.
clicking it.
Tama.
Sure.
Yeah. Next. Ayan, next. How to make creative recipes.
How to make it?
So 1 minute na lang, itong ano natin, candy will be melted.
So while waiting, no, for the sour plum, maybe we can go back dun sa honeycomb and see kasi we already have a pre-made, so we can let everyone also taste. Okay?
And how to
Thank you.
prepare it. Show how to prepare. Diba? Kashin pa.
Oo. So this is,
Sorry.
so this, ito yung itsura ng, aray. So ito yung, itsura ng honeycomb na ginawa namin earlier. So, pero later I'll show you how it became like this. So ganyan siya. Very, very light lang siya. So, ito siya. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop it. Wait, ang galing ko ba ito? Wow! So, diba?
Ganda.
Ano masasabi niyo dito?
Ang tamis. Ang ganda.
Kasing sweet ko daw.
Kasing sweet ni honey.
Yan.
Tapos na rin yung ating
Sige,
Ako muna.
Una na siya.
Kasi kailangan na kagad ito i-mold because it's mabilis siya mag-harden. So this is the mold na. Yan. So yan, bubbly-bubbly pa siya, no? As you can see, the sugar is already. So you just pour it in your mold. Ganyan. Okay lang lampas-lampas.
Just be careful when pouring. If kids are making this recipe, ask help from your parents or
Because it's really hot
really hot.
and sugar.
So you can also make lollies out of this. Siguro add flavor, ganon. Mga lollipop.
So,
So, di ba, it's very, very easy making candies using Thermomix. You don't need to get yung thermometer na you put it in the pot, tapos i-measure mo, tapos antayin mo mag-boil na may risk of talsik-talsik, ganyan. So, ito, very easy lang.
actually this recipe is 24 pieces, but since sometimes our kiamoy or sour plum is big, so lampas siya. Yan. So some of the sugar plum is not inside the mold. It's okay kasi parang while the sweetness of the candy, you can also taste a little saltiness. Sour. Ay, sour salt. Yan. And see, may soap. And then we just wait for this to harden and then later balik na rin natin. Diba?
So, do you want to try the candies? Do you want to try the candies? Yes. Ayan, ayan. Ito. So, ito, diba?
We did a few with package already, so if you want to take home,
Yan.
yung tatlo yung taste natin.
Okay.
Ibabalot ko yan.
Okay.
Yan, later we'll taste this. Yan. Finish.
Later.
Ito yung, I'll show them how to wrap. Ay, pwede ba? Ay, okay. So this one,
Ayan, get one.
sometimes it's hard na kasi kagad, mabilis siya ma-hard. So kailangan mo siyang use the spatula to remove from the mouth of the Dali meron pa. Pwede mo lagay yung yan. Kasama rin also sa instruction ng cookie dough how to clean it, no? Immediately scrape the one on in your mixing bowl para hindi siya mag-harden there. And then, you put 1 liter of water. No vinegar. And then, measuring over. And just put it in the fat or caramel. Our cleaning na. It pre-cleans itself already. Yeah. And then while waiting for that to be clean, I'll show you how to package this. Yan. So also our package is from Shopee. So parang ganyan yung labas, no? So you can serve this, or sometimes you can sell it. Yan. So just like that. Yan. And then just seal it. Yan. Alright. Yan. Basta rin ako. So you can bring it home later. Yan.
So our honeycomb is done. So, ay. Ang honeycomb is done. So just press next. Sabi niya, immediately add around the blades the bicarbonate of soda, the baking soda. So I can just put it here. I'll just show. Ay, dito. Nakikita pala. Okay. So watch, kids. Look at this. This is really nice to see. So this is baking soda. I'm adding it in the bowl. Wala pa nangyayari. Pero once, sabi niya, quickly, mix daw. Ayan. So quickly mix. Look at it. So naging na siya, foamy. Wow.
Like magic.
So see, it's very, and then fast, quickly pour it in your mold. So look at that. Is it magic? Di ba parang science experiment? So again, if you want to make honeycomb, ask your mom or an adult to help you out in the kitchen. Super bilis lang. So again, you can use this as topping for cakes, ice cream, yogurt, cupcakes. Ayan. So just let it sit for an hour. Ayan. Tapos na.
Or if you're familiar with yung violet crumble.
Ay, oo.
Yan ba naman yan? Yeah.
Favorite ko yun. So, ang gagawin na lang, naka-bar, tapos ng chocolate. Ayan. Okay, arm and hammer. Yeah. Arm and hammer. So, di ba? Magic. Ang ganda.
Baking soda.
Yes, it's just making, yeah.
Ordinary baking soda.
So, yan. Again,
Pero 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon sifted. So, isi-sift. Kasi ganun yung effect ng baking soda. If you add on something like vinegar, kahit konti lang talagang magbabubble siya.
Kasi it has to bubble.
Yes.
So, when you put less, we might not be able to achieve yung
Yes.
this is also the candy.
Yeah.
Sweet cream. You know
Yung
that?
dalgona. Yeah, this is
So
dalgona.
if you have that mold to flat it and make it a shape, yan din yun.
Yes. So next, again, meron din siya. So transfer immediately. We did that. So we're going to clean the bowl now. So lagay lang natin. I'm just going to clean. Yan. So just add a liter of water. This time we're gonna add vinegar. Nakita nyo, di ba, ang dumi ng bowl? So later, papakita ko sa inyo what will happen. So just vinegar, and then press next. And then for 4 minutes, i-clean niya yan. Ayan. 50 grams. So tapos ito yung Chop ko lang yung ano.
Chop na yun. What's ice cream? Ice cream. Vanilla ice cream.
Yeah. So we're serving our honeycomb with vanilla ice cream. Homemade vanilla ice cream. Ginawa namin kahapon, ay kagabi. So, ganyan lang. So, chop lang. Ay. So, it's really crunchy. So, ayan o, nakita nyo yung airy, very light and airy. Tingnan. Wrap.
Actually, this honeycomb, this is the one you see sa Contis. Meron silang bagong cake, yung honey crunch. Ito yung on top of that.
Ayan. Who wants vanilla ice cream? Ayan. Ay. We search vanilla ice cream. So, this is vanilla ice cream made with just, homemade siya. Milk, cream, and vanilla pods. Ganun lang. Sugar. Tapos antayin for 1 hour to let it, room temp lang. Mercy. Ayan. Mas ice cream.
Ito.
Ayan. Saan yung mga cup? Ayun.
Dalawang scoop. Dalawang scoop yung pang-picture. Yung pang-picture lang, dalawang scoop.
Dalawang scoop. Dalawa. Okay, ito.
Master na.
Ayaw mo pa.
Ay, just order ka din saan ba yun? Mahal. This one is so, easy to make.
So, ilan ba yung?
Ten.
Hi.
17.
Yung weekend. Or in any,
Ay, walang kutsara yung isa. Walang kutsara. Sabi
Okay, this is already clean also.
Wala. Vanilla ice cream.
We will unmold the camry candy. Para it will harden more. Ganyan lang siya. You have to pop it lang. Hindi pa siya masyadong wait for it.
Kulang.
So, kanina yung hardened sugar is already
Mga 5-5.
clean. because of the pre-clean function. So yan din yung one of the hard part for making some sugar state candies. It's hard to clean your bowls. But this one with pre-clean function is really easy to clean. Clean na rin yan, this one.
So yan yung we use this bowl to clean our honeycomb. So look at it. So ano natin, pour out mo na lang yung liquid. Ayan. So di ba ang linis na? So easy. May ice cream na. Everyone has ice cream already.
Kulang.
So this ilan pa?
The sugar
4.
plum candy now, you pop it out of the mold to make it harden naman more.
Hindi na lang malaki kutsara na lang.
Just pop it with the silicone mold.
Kasi yun, malaki. Isang spoon.
So do you like the ice cream?
Isang spoon. Isang spoon. Dun.
You want to do it at home? Just eat. But the ice cream, the vanilla ice cream is very easy to make as well.
Share na kayo. Ganun ka na. Ganun ka. Ate, wala.
By the way, we have coffee over there. Para i-break yung sweetness.
So we let it harden more and then we can put it in packaging already.
Sinong wala pa? Jamoy candy. Ano ka na ito? Shopping. Packaging. Shopping.
Actually, I have a confession to make. First time ko ginawa yan. Walang, perfect. First time. I'm a master now.
Excuse me.
So, we've done our honeycomb, we've done our sour plum candy. So, let's give the floor to Jean. So, she's going to make pintang hulu.
Now, what we're gonna show you now is not only can Thermomix cook, do ice cream or do pre-cleaning just like that kanina. We can clean fruits also. So we're gonna clean the strawberries right now and you'll see how it's clean. While doing that, can you scan the QR code so that you can get the recipe of this? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put all the strawberries in the shimmering basket. So the shimmering basket can be used for cleaning rice, fruits. You can also use it for cooking rice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the strawberries here. Okay, then we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So there's so many uses of baking soda. You can also use it for cleaning the fruits.
So, one of the pinaka-dirty daw na fruits is strawberry because it's maraming ano.
Yeah. Yes. There's two ways. You can wash it with the leaves if you like, or like what we did here, we cut it first. So this is more cleaner. Kasi yung may leaves, may mga nakatago pa inside. So it's cleaner if you do it this way. So when you pour the water, just make sure that the strawberries are covered. One more. Okay, so we're gonna cover this. And 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah. So, in the Thermomix, you will see 3 rings there. The first ring here is for the time. The second ring is for the temperature.
No temperature for cleaning.
37. And then, the third ring is for the speed of the blade. So, we're gonna do 4. Thanks to the height. I'm short, so I cannot see. So, it's doing cleaning. So, later on, I'll show you what happens after it cleans. And then, now, after cleaning, we're just gonna stick all the fruits on the stick. So, any volunteers?
See, we need to help us with
We need volunteers.
We need volunteers. For those who don't know what you're gonna do. So easy.
For those who will
Yes.
volunteer,
Wash your hands first, kids. Wash your hands.
you just need to do this like lollipop. Like lollipop.
Okay, wash. Wait. Let me help you. Yeah. Wash your hands. Okay, soup. No, other side. The white one. Okay. Oh, wash. Wala pala tayong towel. Okay. Oh, wipe your hands. There. Okay. Wipe. Nagdug ka pa ba? Okay. Oh, wipe your hands. Any more volunteers? Ollie, you wanna volunteer? Ikaw, Princess, you still wanna do it again? Oh, here. Ikaw ba, here. Hold this one, and then you get grapes.
I want strawberries.
Later, because we're still cleaning the strawberries. So you stick it slowly, so you don't wanna get hurt, okay? See, oh, get one more. Get one more. Let's put it there. There. Oh, you do one more? Here. A shovel.
She's not the strawberry.
She's Ati?
Yes.
She's your Ati? Oh, you hold this one. Oh, you stick it. Stick. Slowly. Oh, get one more. Ati, don't. Hanggang dito lang. Not too, deep. Okay. Oops, let's do this. Yan.
So,
Oh, here, get one more.
what other fruits you can use with the hulo? What is that grapes? Kiwi.
Muscat.
Muscat grapes, yes. Also,
Thank you.
melon.
Meron. Blueberries. Yes, pongkan. Here.
Also, you can find this, sa mga, sa mga night market ng mga,
Now, we have this, we used to eat this China or Taiwan. Now, the most in the Philippines have it also, Mr. Tanghulu. And then each fruit, they charge 50 pesos. So, if you do this at home, you You do it cheaper. It's 50 pesos each. So, okay na. Okay na. Thank you. Go back, go back. Thank you. Oh, you get one. Okay. So, still have 1 minute to go. So, kids, you can ask your mom. Does everyone have Thermomix in your house? Everybody have? Yes, okay. So you don't know what to do, kids? Tell your mom you're gonna buy fruits on your way home. So what you're gonna need is, where's my glucose syrup? There. This is what you're gonna need for doing the panghulu. So looking at the recipes there, you only have 4. So fresh strawberry, sugar, water, and glucose. So easy. And it doesn't take more than 30 minutes. And you have tanghulu already. And then, when you're doing tanghulu, you have to work fast. Because this is sugar, syrup siya. So when it's hot, it's much softer, malambot. But if it hardens na, if it's cold na, it hardens. So it will be harder to do. So what I do is, I prepare everything and then do the syrup, dip it, and then put it on an ice cold bath. That way, hindi mag-i-stick together yung mga tanghulo mo. And make sure that it's really, really cold. Kasi kundi, magdidikit-dikit talaga. So just to show you what happened, wait, this one. You see, the strawberries are clean na. So, you just pour it to the Varoma dish so that it will strain all the waters out. And look at the water. Can you see it? Can you see? It's yung mga dirtiness na hindi natin nakikita kanina, it's all there.
Wow.
See, it's all clean na. Let me show that. So now, bowl it in. Water. How much? Okay, now you just go to Thermomix and look for the recipe. So we have did this na kanina, so it's in under my dish. So look for tanghulu and click on that. So we're gonna start cooking. So to guarantee the success of the recipes using the sugar stage mode, the ingredients used must be matched exactly the quantity and description given. Thus, the recipe should also be cooked immediately and placing the sugar in the mixing bowl. So everything has to be done fast. So here, in the cookie dough recipe, it will tell you to prepare a grease-proof paper. I don't do that na kasi it's gonna stick to each other, so we're gonna use the ice bath. So it says, clean, we've already cleaned this, and pwede pa mag-stick. Oh, yung strawberries na release. Oo. Tapos, so it needs 250 grams of sugar. So just make sure it's 0 when you start, and don't lean on the Thermomix.
Not yet hot. Cold. You want to...
You wanna help? Or you tell Ati. Ati, I'm helping. Okay, ice. put milk in.
Huh?
Not milk in yung ice.
Pero malamig ba siya?
Basta faster ng ice. Make sure this is mga ano lang.
So, pingtang hulu, if you don't know, pingtang means parang ping, ice, tang is sugar. So, ice sugar siya na wrapped in fruits.
So 70 grams of water. Just be careful when you're pouring kasi pag nag-over, it's hard to... Okay. And then we do it glucose and measuring 1 tablespoon. So the glucose syrup is really very sticky. So when you're doing this, make sure that you have another spoon somewhere so that you can,
Or spatula.
yeah, the smaller spoon with us. Yeah. Super sticky. Please look for them. Place. It says here, place the splash guard. This is the splash guard. Normally kasi we use simmering basket or the measuring cup. So now it's asking us to use the splash guard.
So when you're using sugar stages na mga recipe, always use the splash guard, just like high temperature cooking.
So it's gonna take us 10 minutes to do this.
So while we're waiting for the pingtang hulu to be, the syrup to be done, let's back turn our attention to the screen. Ay, ito. So ayan, created recipes. If you have parang mga recipes that you keep at home, yung mga heirloom recipes nyo, you can easily add it to your cookie dough. Just go to created recipe and then add yung mga ingredients and yung mga process, and then you can share it na to your family.
Or if not, if you don't want to share it, you are the only one who can see it. The only time that it will be seen by other people is when you share it.
Yes. Ayan. So how many devices can connect to your Cookie Dough account? 6 devices, but the Cookie Dough app can be shared to the whole family. Let's say you have 7 in your family, pwede lahat sila may app sa Cookie Dough, may app na Cookie Dough sa phone mo, and then they can all schedule a meal, and then if you turn on your Thermomix, makikita mo kung ano yung mga naka-add na meals sa week. Okay, so it's very convenient for everyone.
It can also connect to up to 5 Thermomix only.
Yes.
Yes. So if your family members, your family have 5 Thermomix, like in Ama house there's 1, in Ate house there's 1, DT house there's 1. You can share 1 account if you like. Yeah.
And then, after since it's anniversary month, we still have another master class, cooking class. So we're going, yes, this coming Saturday, June 14, at 2 to 5 p.m. So Chef Junjun will deep dive on bread making. So on Saturday, if you're interested, we're going to make focaccia, sourdough, cranberry, and walnut bread, and Asian milk buns. So if you want to join this class, just contact your advisor and tell them that you wanted to join this class and learn about breads. Okay? So this bread class is brought to us by SAF Instant Yeast. Okay? So that's our official yeast supplier. Okay? Thank you, SAF. Ayan. So, and then, para sa mga ano naman natin, since it's Father's Day, June is Father's Month, we have a special health talk about men's health. Ayan. So, Professor Lindsay, our in-house nutritionist, is going to talk about exploring the full spectrum of men's health. And this is also a good way to, parang, di ba, if your husband or dad wanted to have a better lifestyle, or parang gusto niya mag-change lifestyle, so let him come to our experience center and listen to Professor Lindsay. Malay mo, magustuhan niya bumili ng Thermomix. Diba? Okay, so that's June 21, Saturday at 1 p.m. So if you want to register, simply scan the QR code on the screen. Tapos we're going to have also recipes for the men's health class. Ayan, so who here doesn't have a Thermomix yet? May I see your hands? Ayan, meron. So, ma'am, if you want, this is your chance. This is your chance to get your Thermomix. Since it's our anniversary, you'll get the Baroma set for 1,600, a measuring spoon, which we are using kanina, it's rose gold, and may 20,000 worth of cooking class coupons. So you can join us and discover more recipes using your Thermomix. That's 22,400 worth of prices. Freebies pala. Yan. So, and if you pay in cash, check, or bank transfer, you'll get 7,000 pesos discount. An extra 2-year warranty, so that's a total of 4 years warranty for your unit, and a 2.2-liter thermo server. So what's a thermo server? It's a insulated server, so if you cook something, pwede mo na ilagay doon, and then it will last for up to 3 hours warm. Okay? That's an additional 48,000 worth of freebies. Now, if you join our cooking classes, if you join online, okay. So if you join our cooking classes and you decided to buy today, this is what you're going to get. So you get a Thermomix cutter and a blade cover. So Thermomix cutter is a really nice tool if you want to slice or grate your vegetables, like yung mga root crops, carrots, potatoes, perfect for mga lumpia, yan, perfect siya. And then the blade cover, that's for to cover the blade when you want to sous vide or you want to peel your potatoes, yan, perfect siya. Okay? Yan, so on the spot, so yun nga, if you attend our demo and decided on that day na you want to buy, you'll get the cutter and the blade cover for free. So, pero if you don't, parang if you want time to think about purchasing a unit, you'll get a coupon, so it's a voucher valid for up to 7 days. If you decide within 7 days na gusto mo na bumili, you'll still get a blade cover. Okay? Ayan. So, for our customers naman, so, syempre since anniversary, for our customers, if you refer someone if you refer your friend or family member na wanted to purchase a Thermomix, just tell your advisor na, oh, this my friend wanted to buy, makakakuha. And if your friend buys, makakuha ka ng isang mixing bowl. So, very handy ang mixing bowl. If you notice, when we were cooking, di ba, 1 unit, but we're using 2 bowls. Di ba? Parang very easy
And
to,
convenient.
yes, very convenient. So, a mixing bowl is worth 21,000. So, if you refer someone na wanted to purchase, may mixing bowl ka na. Di ba? Sobrang easy lang to get a mixing bowl. Okay. So, again, for existing customers, you can also refer your friends to buy and just message your advisor na my friend wanted to buy, then just message them and then you'll also get a mixing bowl. Yan. So just wait for the
Last 3 minutes.
yes, the sugar to finish and then we'll dip our fruits in the syrup. Ay, syrup ba? Oo.
Yeah, syrup, yeah.
Syrup. Yan.
Who likes tanghulu? Have you ever tasted the tanghulu? No?
No.
Have you tasted tanghulu? Yes?
They is your lucky.
They're the expert. They always eat tanghulu weekly. Weekly. Pwede pa nga everyday eh.
Yan.
Diba? So, in a while, we will be dipping this in the sugar. One tip, if you're gonna use strawberries, make sure the strawberries are small. Because it's so heavy. We've been doing it, and then when I dip it to the sugar syrup, it goes down. Because nadagdagan pa ang weight after you put the syrup. So it has to be smaller. The ones that are smaller are from Baguio. This one is imported kasi. Yeah, the Baguio one is a bit sour. 2 weeks ago, I bought the Baguio just to try it. It's so sour. So I got this one for the class. So 1 more minute. So do you have any questions? Sorry? Can we taste it? We have some here. Feel free to come.
So this is the again, sugar plum, and then tamarind, and
Yeah. Okay, cool.
ayan, tasty. Make sure to brush your teeth after.
Yeah. Yeah, for those who have false teeth, just be a bit careful. Because it might stick to your teeth. Yeah. Wait, slowly, wait lang. It depends on the sugar. Yeah, it's on the sugar. Slowly, you might, The glucose syrup, I got it from CK Baker. Plugging. CK Baker. Sir, they're a supplier of all ingredients for cakes, for bread. In EDSA. Or you can see the Graco is a manufacturer. Yeah. They're the manufacturer of powdered sugar.
Remember the ice cream.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. Makes sense.
CK Baker is in EDSA. Or there's, the baking,
Ayan,
the
tapos
baking
na.
suppliers.
Our sugar is
Ayan.
Anywhere. Normally they have. Yeah. Okay.
So it's done. I just want.
Okay, look at this. Look, see? In the monitor, it's bubbly. So, we have to work fast. Do this. And dip it to the cold water. Ay, mali. Ano ba? Hello?
I think if you use brown sugar, mas magiging golden siya. Yeah. A food color din.
Kasi the pumps are already colorful.
And Okay, bigyan dito. Teach mo yung file, paano mag-save. So guys, to pre-clean this, you just go to home and then swipe it to the left and look for pre-clean. Since this is a sugar caramel, you go to switch it to flat or caramel and then it will pre-clean for you. So, medyo a while lang siya. It takes 6 minutes lang to. Kanina 40 minutes. So, is it good? Good.
You can bring home more after,
So, among the three, which one is your favorite? The kiamoy, the tanghulo, or the honeycomb? Take note, the ice cream is made with Thermomix also, ha? With her help. She did me and me. You also did. The two of them worked hard last night. They made the vanilla ice cream para lang matikman ninyo. I hope you appreciate. Yes, we hope you appreciate everything. And then, hopefully you can share this with your friends and get them to see us and try to get a Thermomix for themselves.
Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you very much.
Up our sugar stage class.
Yes. Also for Friday, Saturday. If you have time, you can come and watch the bread class. Yeah. That's gonna be interesting. Alright, thank you.
Wait lang guys. Wait. Wait lang Sorry
Everybody look here, everybody.
Full house, full house. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Konti, kulang. Yan.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Wait! Wala. Where? Okay, sige.
Okay, so before anything else, later may picture taking tayo, no? So we would just like to take a moment and appreciate our three masters. So as a token, we have prepared a little something for them.
Wow!
So congratulations, Miss Hani Recato. Ay, ikaw nga. Miss Jean Velez. And Haylene Ong. So since this is our anniversary month, no, meron kaming pa-thermo server.
Yes! You want mine?
Sana it applies to all nagma-masterclass. Thank you.
Thank you! Chef! Chef!
Guys, wait. Walang refund. Walang refund. Walang refund.
Oh, what the bring up some candy?
Kaya walang picture. Guys, picture muna. Everyone. Ha? Sorry. Dyan na lang sa seats. Take a seat, tapos picture lang. Uy, Lucy, harangin mo. Uy, guys, picture muna. Picture down. Picture muna.
Ano picture?
Paano picture pa ganyan?
Ano dami?
Lucy, kasali na rin kayo. May Candy! Candy! Ready? 1, 2, action!
Crazy.
Ano isa si Berlin? Di ba nabigay ka video pa?
Dapat ano, you bite. Inumin ko na lang shake.
Oh, gusto mo mag-bakit challenge? Ano kaya?
Good? Did you try the ice cream? Is the ice cream good? Would you like the ice cream? Done.
Si ano na si